Kindergarten Fluency and Vocabulary Builder, Lesson 26. First thing this week to do is review all Jolly Phonics sounds. Look at the sound card on the Jolly Phonics sound card link in your Google Classroom. You can look at the letters that you don't know yet and review those sounds. Rhyming words, word families. These words here all fit a certain pattern, A, N, E. And we're going to take a look at these words here and read them together. Cane, Jane, plane, lane, main, crane, sane. Hopefully you can hear the A and E sound pattern. Next set of another long vowel sound pattern is AI together. A-I-L, as in ale, hail, nail, trail, fail, bail, quail, rail, snail, jail, mail. Okay, so please practice those. You can make cards, sort them, and practice knowing how to decode when you see a word family. That means you can chunk A and E together and then replace the beginning sound. A-I-L can be chunked together and then you're just replacing the beginning sound. Okay, next thing is to memorize these sight words here. We have up, and, there, he, one, she, down. We, want, out, who, are, they, and then. Remember, sight words are hard for you to decode sometimes. They don't always sound like they should. So make sure that you are trying to learn these by sight, just by looking at them and knowing them. All right, the next thing we're going to practice is reading a story together. So let's see here. I'll start here at the very beginning. And I'm going to put a dot by all the words when I read them so you can follow along just like with the sight words. We have Gus and Bud, our squirrels. They are up in the tree. Gus and Bud want the nut. Who will get it? Will Gus get the nut? Will Bud get the nut? Gus and Bud fight over the nut. Gus and Bud fuss. Gus and Bud tug and tug on it. Mom gets the nut. Mom cuts the nut in half. Gus and Bud each get half of the nut. Yum, yummy, yum. Okay, you can go ahead and reread that to yourself as well, and hopefully you can start learning some of those sight words. All right, the last thing that we need to look at today are the challenge words that I have in here. We have them. They come from the book Stella Luna, and we read that in class. You can see the link at Stella Luna in YouTube, and you can reread it if you want. The words are clutched, when you grab and hold on to something. Plunged, when you fall down or dive down into something. Adapt, which means to change, adjust, revise, or get used to something. Crooned, which is a chant or a sing. Gasped, like when you take in a breath and you're suddenly shocked by something. And a sigh, sighed, when you exhale slowly, like when you sigh. So that is your weekly organizer, and I am hoping that you will take some time this week to go over it.